Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to move everything to Pixel 9 Pro. So first is going to be back up your old phone, use Google One. Take note Google One is going to be the one for you on your device, built-in backup features to save contacts, apps, messages, and photos. For me, contact is the most important part here. Moving on step 2, turn on your Pixel Pro 9 and basically begin setup. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi. Select copy apps and data when prompted. Next, connect devices. Use the included quick switch adapter or USB-C cable to connect your phone to your Pixel 9 Pro. Basically, connect your old backup phone to your Pixel 9 and choose what to transfer. Follow the on-screen instruction because there will be prompted once you connect the two phones. And sign into your Google account using that method and download apps automatically. Your Pixel will start downloading your previously installed applications from Play Store. So verify data transfer. After setup, check your applications, contacts, photos, and messages to ensure everything is transferred properly. Basically, double check everything if you're good to go. Transfer WhatsApp chat. So basically for this one, open the WhatsApp settings, go to chat, and chat backup on your old devices, then restore on Pixel during WhatsApp setup. This is only done on the WhatsApp application, no need to worry if it's not really transferred initially. You can transfer anything just by logging into your WhatsApp and basically sync the data. Finalize your settings for step 9, reconfigure any custom settings, wallpaper, and re-log into your apps like banking or email. And basically that's it. Enjoy your Pixel 9 Pro with this option. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.